So this is the after video for Jackie on Englehart. So right there's where that place was. There was about a 95% pipe blockage there, and I hydrojetted it. And you can see there's just a little bit of root debris laying there. That's where that's clay pipe and then PVC pipe. You can see it's all nice and clean now after the hydrojetting. There's a little bit of standing water in there because I just flushed the toilet. But she was getting a backup there. Now what she should do is flush some Rudex type products down there. Rudex is a brand name, and the foaming Rudex. There's one called Green Gobbler, and they contain chemicals that kill the roots. So I don't think that little root ball is attached anymore. I think it's just laying there, and it will get flushed down. The one on the right I don't think is attached. The one on the left might be still attached. When I'm hydrojetting, I always keep a sink going, because as you hydrojet and you knock stuff loose, you want it to flow out and go to the sewer main, you know, and not build up in the pipe. So it flushes it out a little bit at a time. You know, so I'll keep like the laundry tub going. I'll flush the toilet once in a while as I go. But you can see that that pipe was about 90% blocked, and I got about 90% of it out. So knock it loose. Sometimes you can knock it loose with the camera, and sometimes you can't. All right, that's it. Problem solved.